The Apache is a 30mm automatic Boeing M230 chain gun is located under the fuselage. It provides a rate of fire of 625 rounds a minute. The helicopter has capacity for up to 1,200 rounds of ammunition. The AH-64D is armed with the Lockheed Martin Boeing AH-114D Longbow HELLFIRE air-to-surface missile, which is a millimeter wave seeker which allows the missile to perform in full fire, and forget mode range is 8 to 12 kilometers. The Apache can be equipped with air-to-air missiles, Stinger, AIM-9 Sidewinder, Mistral and Sidearm, and the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS, formerly known as Hydra, family of guided and unguided 70mm rockets. Plans to arm the Apache with the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, a laser-guided version of the Hydra, were shelved in the 2008 budget. The U.S. Army awarded BAE Systems a development contract for the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System in April 2006. British Army AMK-1 helicopters are armed with the CRV-7 70mm rocket system from Bristol Aerospace of Winnipeg, Manitoba. The Longbow Apache carries the combination of armaments chosen for the particular mission. In the close support role, the helicopter carries 16 HELLFIRE missiles on 4 4-rail launchers and 4 air-to-air missiles. The AH-64D Longbow Apache is equipped with the Northrop Grumman millimeter-wave longbow radar. The Longbow fire control radar incorporates an integrated radar frequency interferometer for passive location and identification of radar-emitting threats. An advantage of millimeter wave is that it performs under poor visibility conditions and is less sensitive to ground clutter. The short wavelength allows a very narrow beam width, which is resistant to countermeasures. The Longbow Apache can effect an attack in 30 seconds. The radar dome is unmasked for a single radar scan, and then remarked. The processors determine the location, speed and direction of travel of a maximum of 256 targets. The Target Acquisition Designation Site and the Pilot Night Vision Sensor, Pilot Night Vision System, were developed by Lockheed Martin. The turret-mounted Target Acquisition Designation Site provides direct view optics, television and 3 fields of view forward-looking infrared to carry out search, detection and recognition, and lit and laser rangefinder designator. Pilot Night Vision System consists of a forward-looking infrared in a rotating turret located on the nose above the Target Acquisition Designation System. The image from the Pilot Night Vision System is displayed in the monocular eyepiece of the Honeywell Integrated Helmet and Display Sighting System, Integrated Helmet and Display Sighting System, worn by the pilot and copilot gunner. Lockheed Martin has developed a new targeting and night vision system for the Apache, using second-generation long-wave infrared sensors with improved range and resolution. The new system is called Arrowhead, and has a targeting forward-looking infrared with 3 fields of view, a dual field of view pilotage forward-looking infrared, a CCD-TV camera, electronic zoom, target tracker and auto bore sight. Arrowhead entered production in December 2003, and the first unit was delivered to the U.S. Army in May 2005. 704 U.S. Army Apaches are to be equipped with Arrowhead by 2011. The AH-64 Apache has a 4-blade main rotor and a 4-blade tail rotor. The crew sits in tandem, with the pilot sitting behind and above the co-pilot gunner. Both crew members are capable of flying the aircraft and performing methods of weapon engagements independently. The AH-64 is powered by 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, with high-mounted exhausts on either side of the fuselage. Various models of engines have been used on the Apache. Those in British service use engines from Rolls-Royce. In 2004, General Electric Aviation began producing more powerful T700 GE701D engines, rated at 2,000 horsepower for AH-64DS. The crew compartment has shielding between the cockpits, such that at least 1 crew member can survive hits. The compartment and the rotor blades are designed to sustain a hit from 23mm rounds. The airframe includes some 2,500 pounds of protection, and has a self-sealing fuel system to protect against ballistic projectiles. The aircraft was designed to meet the crashworthiness requirements of MIL STD 1290, which specifies minimum requirement for crash impact energy attenuation to minimize crew injuries and fatalities. This was achieved through incorporation of increased structural strength, crashworthy landing gear, seats and fuel system. On a standard day, when temperatures are 59 degrees Fahrenheit, the AH-64 has a vertical rate of climb of 1,775 feet per minute and a service ceiling of 21,000 feet. However, on a hot day, when temperatures are 70 degrees Fahrenheit, its vertical rate of climb is reduced to 1,595 feet per minute, and service ceiling is reduced to 19,400 feet, due to less dense air.